In this video I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on your Instagram. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Instagram and then select this message icon to get on that page, and next tap on that pen icon right here at the very top right. There I need to type in this search field names of users I want to add. For example, here I type the name and now I can add some people. I can type that request again and now I selected 2 peoples, and I can add here much more people and then just tap chat to create a group chat for those users. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.